Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. If you're still teaching while you're working your virtual assistant business as a side hustle, you probably know how hard it is to find time to manage both. Your virtual assistant business can then take a lot longer to grow because it's the one that tends to get set to the side when you don't have the time. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you my secret to growing my virtual assistant business as quickly as I did and something that you can apply to yours. But before I do that, I want to invite you to join our free workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to be teaching you what a virtual assistant even is, how to identify what service you want to offer that will seriously light you up to do for your clients. I'm going to teach you where to find paying clients so you can replace your teaching income quickly and start working from home with your babies faster. And I'm going to teach you the top 3 mistakes that new virtual assistants make and how you can avoid those. So go sign up. Again, this is 100% free. It's my gift to you. Go to arianavernier.com/virtual-assistant-workshop. Again, that's arianavernier.com/virtual-assistant-workshop, or click the link in the show notes. So, what is my secret to growing my virtual assistant business as quickly as I did? It's power hours. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is a power hour? So this is usually 1 hour before your day typically starts, or 1 hour after your day ends, where you can just be solely focused on pouring into your virtual assistant business. For me, it was 1 hour before my kids woke up in the morning. For some of you, if you're not a morning person, you can do 1 hour after your kiddos go to bed in the evening. These power hours are so incredibly helpful to getting things done and growing your business quickly because you have sole focus on your business. You're not trying to fit it into the cracks of your day. There's a time and a place to do that, and you can use that to help you grow, but you'll see even a faster growth rate if you implement these power hours into your weekly routine. I'm not saying you have to do this every day. Do it 1 or 2 days a week starting out and just see how much it helps you grow. I do want to share 2 things that you need to set yourself up for success in your power hours. So number 1, you need 100% focus. You need no distractions. Put your phone on airplane mode. Let your spouse know that if the kids wake up and need their water filled, they're in charge of that. You're shutting yourself in the room and you're not coming out till your timer goes off. And set that timer so that you're not constantly looking at the clock, wondering how much time do I have left to my power hour. Just set the timer and then put your phone out of sight, out of mind. And then the second thing you need to set yourself up for success in your power hour is to have either a to-do list, or I'd actually prefer for you to have a workflow you're working from with the things that you need to get done in this power hour. If you're not sure about workflows, I do have an episode that talks a lot more in depth about those. That's episode 65. And it's just basically setting up routines in your business so you're not sitting down to work and wondering, okay, what the heck do I even work on? So episode 65 will help you with setting up those routines, aka workflows. But yeah, you need to have either A to-do list is fine, preferably a workflow when you sit down for your power hours. So you know I'm busting out this, and this during this time. I cannot recommend power hours enough. That is how I grew my business as quickly as I did. And you can also kind of a tweak on this. If you have a little bit more time, you could do a power evening. So this is something I also did. One evening a week after dinner, my husband was in charge of my daughter from dinner time to bedtime, and I got about 3 consistent hours to work. And so if you're able to do that, that's another really awesome way to grow your virtual assistant business while you're working it as a side hustle. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for y'all. If you have any questions about power hours, come into the Facebook group and drop your questions there. I'm happy to answer them. But yeah, I hope you guys implement this. Come and tell me how it's helping you once you start it. You guys, it's amazing. I seriously cannot recommend this enough. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you so much, and we will see you next episode. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.